Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love and
Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I have come to show you making of this beautiful heavily designed sleeves pattern using the normal stitching needle. So let's quickly start with the markings. This would be the sleeve opening line. Here we will give the padded load stitch followed with the cross lines of 1 inch gap between each cross lines like this. This scale length is of 1 inch width, so I've been placing it crossly and giving the markings both horizontally and vertically. These are heavily designed patterns which will really cost much more in the market, up to 4,000, because it's been exclusively designed for the bridal collection. But I'm going to show you using the normal stitching needle also we can create this type of easily designed patterns at home with very less cost. So on this I'd be placing the cord, or the piping cord we'll call, to give the padded load stitch like this. Here I'd be using 6 strands of anchor thread which is of pink in color, and placing it slantingly or crossly like this. We have to give the stitches without leaving any gaps. For an ari or the Maggam work pattern designs, we have to highlight the sleeves, also the necklines, with this padded load stitch or anything like the chain stitch and stone balls, chain ball lace. This is how we'll be highlighting here, and towards both the sides of this I'd be applying the glue to stick the chain ball lace. Next to this, on each and every line we have to mark 2 lines like this. This is of 1 inch block which is of square block, and on that we need to apply the 2 lines like this. This is to stick the drop shape kundans of honey color. Once each and every line has stuck, this is how it looks. Now in the centers I'd be applying the glue dot to stick pink color kundans of small size circular shape. Here I'd be elaborating step by step so that it will make your work easy to do. Even you can also try this pattern on already stitched blouses. Remove the stitches on the sides and fix the frame and start doing this designing, which will really gives an elegant look. And here the kundans is completely dried. Now I'd be highlighting with using of Zardosi string, and this is of 1 inch Zardosi string, gold color, and this is how we have to insert in the needle and give the stitches so that it will be in place. And for stitching this Zardosi I'd be using cotton silk thread, also 9 number hemming needle for the stitching of this Zardosi string, because it's too thin that you cannot work with normal needles. Use hemming needle which is of 9 number. And now each and every kundan has to be highlighted with this Zardosi string. That means this drop shape kundan has to be highlighted, and once the stitching is done, this is how it looks. Isn't it looking so amazing? And now I'd be highlighting the red color kundans with the chain ball lace. Applying the glue, I'd be sticking the chain ball lace all around to give the circular shape. And in this flower shape, that means 4 petals, I'd be applying the glue dots to stick red color kundans of very small size. These patterns are very simple and very creative. If you know how to do this, that means you are saving lots of your hardcore money. Knowing the method is very important. That is why I'd be sharing this idea so that it will be useful to you all. Otherwise, if you want to make this work to be done outside, it will really cost so much. And now that I'd be stitching 4 sugar beads all around these circular kundans like this. This is to fill in the leftover gaps. Also I'd be giving an invisible stitches on this chain ball lace. This is how complete sleeve has to be done, and once the sleeve is done, this is how it looks. Really friends, this is so simple. You must try this type of patterns. Once completed, this is how it looks. I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you like it and enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching. Please meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon to receive future notifications.